So here we have Luke Skywalker. Wasn't really a big fan of how he ended up in The Last Jedi, but it is what it is. So this is our Zero Grit bar, legendary lather, and our featured ingredient is 5-finger grass. Now this herb is used a lot in European countries, and it is known just to be good for overall health and skin clarity. We also have wild elder in here. We have monk's pepper, some mica and kaolin clay. So that's what we're looking at for ingredients. This is a grassy sort of scent. It's supposed to be like breezy, outdoor nature. I kind of think this scent is supposed to be like on one of those islands that he was on in The Last Jedi. And I know those islands are actually like the Faroe Islands of Ireland, I believe. But I just picture that's what this scent is kind of supposed to be similar to. So let's check it out. All right, here's the bar. I actually think it looks really cool. And I can smell it from here. So it's definitely a lot stronger than I'm used to. Wow, yeah, this bar is actually really, really strong. It does have a grassy scent. This is pretty strong. I have to say, to me, this does smell a little bit like a dryer sheet. Or like those little dryer beads, like the scent boosters that you put in. It smells a lot like that. It smells very artificial. It smells like a grass scent that was made artificially. Even though the fragrance is natural fragrance, so this is all natural. It just, the scent is throwing me off a little bit. I'm actually not the biggest fan of grass scent, like some people are. Like, I don't hate it, but... So, first off, this isn't actually my favorite bar. I don't think it's that good. So, I think it smells like artificial grass, dryer sheet, and maybe a little something else that I can't quite put my finger on. So that is legendary lather.